Hello traders everyone, and welcome to our new update, a quick one after the webinar that we held on Monday. So if you are interested in more of those analyses, make sure to visit us at wavetraders.com and apply for a trial. So what I wanted to update, well, as you know, we've been discussing about the German DAX. We said that potentially we can be completing this corrective retracement, and if we will scale down to the smaller time frame, looking at the 4-hour chart here, you can see that market successfully and quite sharply recovered beyond the upper trend line of this, what I call is, and believe it's a corrective channel. So normally when this occurs, especially if you see very strong and sharp recovery like in our case, this represents possibly a completed correction. So from an Elliott wave perspective, even if that would be only first leg of a minimum 3-wave recovery, I would be expecting more upside after the next pullback, which possibly could be even wave 2, maybe only wave B. But I think that in either case, there can be some very nice support around 18,000, and then you have 17,900. So these are the levels to watch for if we see this dip. So after that dip, I would be looking for more upside while market is trading above this invalidation level. Okay, so if we think that wave 4 has finished here, then certainly this level should not be breached. Also, looking at Aussie, as you know, CPI in Australia came out stronger than expected. I think it's first time since November, December reading. So looks like that RBI may not look for lowering rates just yet, and in Elliott wave terms, we are seeing a pretty nice and strong rebound. And if you recall, we've been tracking and discussing in our webinar about this trend line support, and so far we can see a very strong and sharp rebound. Also, when looking here at the MACD, we can see some kind of a divergence. So we are trading in neutral stage at the moment, but if we'll see in MACD recovering back above zero line, then this will be indication that pair is actually turning bullish. But at least in the short term, I think that it's more upside possible here. Why? Because notice that market fell here at new lows. We broke lower but then reversed higher, and now we are trading back in this previous triangle range. So in my opinion, this looks like a very nice potential bottom formation. Not forget to mention that we have stocks in China doing quite well this week, so this could potentially have a positive impact on Aussie as well. And of course, if stocks will keep trading and hold these lows from last week, then I think that Aussie can see certainly more upside after the next pullback. There can be even some opportunities on the upside while the market is trading above that low. Also, what I want to look at is actually gold. So gold is also making some very nice pullback. We came down into wave C towards 2300 area. This could be the first potential support, but there is also, based on the intraday swings, there is still room for 2270. Okay, so just be careful and be aware that there can be some intraday spikes, but overall I just think that sooner or later this metal could potentially move to the upside. I just would be curious to see what will be the driver behind the next move. If there will be some new escalation in the Middle East, then you know that stocks could again suffer and see much more downside potential. If there will be only some kind of inflation concern, then maybe still gold can do well, while stocks could maybe just stay sideways or something. Okay, okay traders, that's it from me for today. So if you want to see more of our updates updated on a daily basis on all of those major markets, and also even on some cryptocurrencies, then make sure to visit us at wavetraders.com and apply for a trial. Traders, have a good day. Bye.